Hi, good morning, everyone. Today is June 16, 2024, and this is my backyard update. I harvest the Changka peptide for tea, so there's still a few of them, and a lot of grass growing, which is a big mess, but something to note. I realized that this part is like a lot of weed growing, so next year we're going to put a weed barrier and grow different plant around this area. And we start to harvest okra. We have a lot of okra every day. We harvest it, and we also harvest some beans or melons and figs. This month we start to harvest some figs already, and we harvest some apple. We just finished harvest the peach. We have peach here. We have finished harvest peach, and I pruned the peach, and I pruned most of the fruit tree, like pear, for example. And let me come here. So this might be figs. We have a few figs. It's delicious, it's yummy, it's big. So this is my figs. And long beans, I have a lot of long beans already. And the mulberry. So this year we have problem with the web worms that have around the mulberry tree, but right now I feel like all of them are gone already. And the reason is because it rained and then it destroyed the web worm and it dropped and the birds eat them. So when you have web worm, do not need to worry too much. I think it will be okay because it can be used to feed the bird. So this is melons. I grow best, and I actually not growing it. It was left from last year, but we have a lot of melons. You might not see it. See that melon? And this is like everywhere. It's growing like that. And I thought like this here cannot be grown, but actually you can grow a lot of stuff here. And down there I have sweet melons, also sweet melons climb up there. This area do not have full sunlight, but it still has some sunlight. And I grow another figs there. I think this Olympia figs. I still have few more spots that to put more fruit tree. If I put more fruit tree around this area, I think this will be a little bit less sunlight. And let me share with you these ivy down here. You see that a lot of different plants, and it's growing, it's climbing, and there are some they blew some melon already. For example, this is another melon. This is honey kiss melons, and this another melon. I don't remember the name. Might not be honey kiss. It might be ready to pick. Down here, see that? It look good. If I go down here, there's a lot of different plants. It's hard to walk. It maybe has some melons that I didn't see it. Sometimes I can find some melon that I didn't notice it until it's completely hiding. So there's a lot of melons, a lot of plants that try to climb the trellis, and also the fruit tree. This is my pear tree, and you see down there I I put grows. I not grow actually. I put a lot of kitchen waste, and then when I put down there, it start to grow seed. So like recycle. See down there, a few melons, and again this area can be put a few more fruit trees. When I put a few more fruit tree here, this is going to be a lot done. But still, we still can grow the melons around this area, and when it climb up, it can have sunlight, access to sunlight, like this one. Yeah. So this is the melon. When they climb up, it will. So I plan to put the loquat. Yeah. We didn't have loquat in the backyard. I have about 10 loquat plants grow from seed. So I plan to put loquat, and also American persimmons. I have about 5 American persimmon. So you see that's a lot of insects, a lot of different things here. This melons, you see melons. Let me go back up. Normally I don't go down here. I just stay up here. And this is my LSU purpose fix. Hopefully it's going to grow. So that's my backyard. And this is long beans, a lot of long beans here. Long beans. A lot of like wet worm, they eat the long bean, but because we have a lot of birds go in the backyard, they come and eat the worms. But there's still some. See, like this one. See, long beans start to produce already, and that is cucumber. We have harvested a lot of cucumber, and just recently I pruned this. You see that I prune, I cut it down. I don't want it to be I want it to be branch out. And my that I forgot the name. Chocolate persimmon. It's go very high. It's another persimmon. So this portion of the backyard, I grow a lot of peach, and this is nectarines. So this is trellis that set up. I have muscadine grape also this area. I grow down here. See muscadine grape. So it's going to be climb up, and then it will be climb up here along with other wine plants. So it's good pollination and a lot of like bumblebees everywhere. And they make nests around this wood. And you see that it look like taros. And it's all edible. Also sweet potato, we have lots with sweet potato. It's going to climb up. So this is, I think this is a very good setup for a small backyard, because I don't have a big backyard. And this trellis can really accommodate a lot of plants. And it can climb up here and grow up here. At the same time, a lot of plants can grow down here, because some of the plants do not need a lot of sunlight. For example, like this different edible variety. This looks like taro, but it's not really taro. So I can really put a lot of plants in there. So this portion is, again, this portion is used for my tropical fruit tree. I plan to put some tropical fruit tree here, and during the winter I want to put some lights to protect it from the cold. So that's why this area is set up slightly different. And yeah, So this is like Nestle plum, and this is the different plum and healthy apricot. So this is Hollywood plum. I have a lot of different, also craft Hollywood plum. So one plum, one apricot tree, they have different variety of graftings they are put together. Before my backyard is a lot of citrus like pomelos, grapefruit, but because the tree kill it, so I just try to find something that do not need to maintenance protection during the winter. My apple tree is very close together because 1, 2, 3 apple tree in a very small space, and this is queens. I think this queen is not getting enough sunlight. I will take some cutting and grow somewhere else. Down here, see, I build this setup. I set up this. It allow me to walk. I can walk like that and walk like that. And I grow tomato down here, sweet potato. And this is different plum, and it also graft different variety of plum on here. Recently, I put sucker, one sucker here, the plum, and this is I take the figs, the other figs that I have, I put it here, and hopefully this is going to grow bigger, stronger figs. So down here is still has some room. I haven't decided what kind of plant I want to put here, but we have a lot of space here to put more fruit tree. So I grow melons, different sweet melon here, and I cut down some of these melons that not sweet melon, like some of this melon that I have already grown somewhere. So I put seed here, start to grow already. So this is leaf, many leaves that I collected and dumped here, because here used to be a pond, and initially this is a small pond that already been digged by the previous owner, and then we dig another portion of the pond. So recently I take out this taro, I put around here, and we have a lot of melons, different melon, not sweet melon here, and we have a gigantic elephant food yam. See that down here? So taro, sweet potato, so a lot of sweet potato, and this is corns. I think I need to take this out. I don't want it to be here. So there are a lot of stuff going on here. Corn here, corn, and yes, taro. So this area I plan to put a few more fruit trees, but not very sure yet, because I'm thinking maybe this area used to grow melons, sweet melon, for example. It's a good place to grow sweet melon. And the setup here is it's easy. The melon climb up here, so that's why I kill all these plants. There's some beans here, still has some beans here. So the melon already start to grow. So when it climb up here, it will be easy to harvest and also sell a lot of money. So there's still sweet potato up here. This is an old greenhouse, portable greenhouse, and there are a lot of these look like taro. It's edible. I think you need to remove it because there's so many of them, and you can cut it down, make compost out of it. And banana, we have two kind of variety of banana, and this banana is sucker. We sometimes need to remove the sucker like this, and hopefully this year we have some banana, this one, and as orange grapefruit over there, I think grow from seed. I don't know what variety, I don't remember it. Down here, you see that this guy do not need a lot of sunlight. Grow tall, big. And this is my cucumber. Cucumber. I keep for seed. Yes, the cucumber. A lot of different thing going on here. My plan is I want to put the Mexican grape climb up here, and then every year I will prune it, so I don't want it to grow too much, but produce enough Mexican grape, and at the same time using this trellis to grow other beans and melons. So that is pretty much on my backyard for the month of June, middle of June. And it looked very green, a lot of things growing here, and also a lot of changes too. So this caterpillar, and we have a lot of tomato. See tomato, a lot of tomato, and also we have a lot of fruit tree that they pruned. So June, July, August we have figs to pick, and then start to pick melons, and also we're going to have some corns, and around September, November, December we're going to pick the persimmons. So that's pretty much about my backyard, and it looked different. Oh, I have a lot of dragon fruit, so we're also going to pick a lot of dragon fruit as well. Yeah. So that's pretty much my backyard, and I am happy to see a lot of grow, and also harvest different kind of vegetable. Let's see this one. I think we can harvest some of the tomato. Yes, I think it's ready to harvest. It's very yummy. This is a yellow variety. Yeah, this one's good ones. Okay, pretty much. Thank you so much. Bye.